want to start by pressing in on this little tab right here for the connector. Press it in and wiggle that off. Go ahead and remove this capture nut right here. Be careful to catch that nut there. You don't want to drop it down. That's going to be a tough one to find. And gently grab the ignition coil and lift up. Before installation of the new coil, we're going to go ahead and take a little bit of dielectric grease and just put a little bit on the inside of the boot right there before installation. Good, line up the coil, slide it down inside. Go ahead and press it on and reinstall that nut. Go ahead and snug that down and reconnect. You want to go ahead and repeat the exact steps for the rest of the other.